Hi everyone, it's Dana from First Coffee Then Colors. In honor of the Barbie movie, I thought I would talk about pinks and what is your best pink. So I'm going to show you a couple pinks. So this one is much cooler than, oh, did I lose it? This, which is a coral. Okay, so the typical Barbie color that we think of is definitely more, this is like that kind of bubblegum-y, but this is a little bit darker than the bubblegum. Like this is nearing the fuchsia, and I mean, it's not quite there, but it's fairly close to this one. This one, however, is more warm and closer to this one. So this color is more like a coral, and I honestly think this one in particular has enough coolness in it. Even though it is warm, it can almost work for all the seasons because it is close to watermelon, which we consider a universal color. So it's better on the warm seasons, spring and autumn, but I think that winters and summers could rock this as well. Then this one, it's not quite my best pink, but probably best of the three. Much cooler and a bit deeper, so better on me personally than the coral or this one. This one is much lighter, probably best on summers. It is cooler pink. It is definitely muted, so at least we're in the cool family. I would say this reminds me of the three as the most Barbie-ish pink, but there you have it, looking at three different pinks. Which is your favorite, on me or on you? I'd love to hear. So rock your pink. Everyone has the pink. Which one is yours? Have a good day. Bye.